Deep inside our bodies, a framework of wonder exists. Bones, often overlooked, are marvels of nature's engineering. They provide support, allow movement, and protect our vital organs. But there's more to these hidden structures than meets the eye. Bones are remarkably strong, capable of supporting our entire body weight and more. They are able to withstand incredible forces, whether it's from daily activities or intense physical exertion. What's truly fascinating is their lightweight nature, which doesn't compromise their strength. Imagine a building as strong as steel, but far lighter. This is the marvel of our skeletal system. This incredible feat is achieved through a clever design, much like advanced engineering. Bones have a honeycomb-like structure within, making them both sturdy and light, optimizing strength and weight. This allows us to move freely without being weighed down, enabling a range of motion and activities. Bones possess an almost magical ability. They can heal themselves. This fascinating process begins the moment a fracture occurs. When a bone fractures, the body initiates a remarkable process. Blood clots form around the break, creating a foundation for healing. Special cells rush to the injured area, working tirelessly to repair the damage. These cells, known as osteoblasts, begin to produce new bone material. Over time, new bone tissue is formed, mending the break and restoring the bone's strength. This process can take weeks to months, depending on the severity of the fracture. This self-repair mechanism is a testament to the incredible power of the human body. It showcases our body's innate ability to heal and regenerate, ensuring we stay strong and resilient. What gives bones their incredible strength? How do these seemingly rigid structures support our bodies and protect our vital organs? The answer lies in their unique composition, a marvel of natural engineering. Bones are made up of a complex matrix of materials that work together to provide both strength and flexibility. Calcium, like a natural cement, provides hardness. These calcium crystals are embedded within the bone matrix, giving bones their rigidity and the ability to bear weight. Collagen, a type of protein, acts like a glue, binding everything together. This fibrous protein adds a layer of flexibility, allowing bones to absorb impact without shattering. And then there's bone marrow, the hidden factory within, responsible for producing blood cells. This vital tissue not only supports the immune system, but also plays a crucial role in maintaining overall health. This combination of materials creates a structure that is both robust and flexible, able to withstand the test of time. Bones can bend slightly under pressure, preventing fractures and breaks. To maintain strong bones, a balanced diet rich in calcium and vitamin D is essential. These nutrients are crucial for bone growth and repair, ensuring that our skeletal system remains strong throughout our lives. Regular exercise, like walking or running, helps strengthen bones and keep them healthy. Physical activity stimulates bone formation and increases bone density, reducing the risk of osteoporosis. By taking care of our bones, we are investing in our long-term well-being. Healthy bones allow us to lead active, fulfilling lives, free from the limitations of bone-related ailments. Bones, the silent guardians of our body, are a true marvel of nature. They support our weight, protect our organs, and enable movement, all while being incredibly resilient. Their strength, their ability to heal, and their intricate structure are a testament to the power of evolution and the wonder of life itself. From the smallest bone in our ear to the largest in our leg, each one plays a vital role in our survival and well-being. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. Thanks for watching Nature's Wonder TV.